Right, so time now for Joy News Interactive. And of course, the major news that we're having in the last few minutes has to do with Parliament approving the Right to Information Bill. And Mapitso Savidi has joined me. Maps, do we have any comments coming through?
Yes, during the conversation on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, where Joy News on TV. Let's see if we can get some of those comments onto your screen. We posted that the RTI bill is passed, and you should see how the comments are rushing in.
Right, so there you have it. We have some of the comments on your screens right now. We have countless laws in Ghana without any real impact. Some are selectively implemented to favor the powerful in society and further disadvantage the weak. Let's see how this one goes. Prince Nana Kwame says, this is the law that will make journalists rich. Welcome. Daniel Holly says, the gold mine is finally here. Katie Hammond. And Nana Opoku says, after a series of amendments to render it useless, it contains nothing. Savali Kelvin says, good news, that is the change we voted for. Julius Aoto says, finally, this is the day the Lord has made, and we shall rejoice and be glad in it. We're celebrating, but the battle has just begun. Kwesi Gate says, okay, I want to know what Akufo-Addo had for breakfast. I have the right to know. And Ikea Cosmo says, one hurdle down. Emmanuel says, that's the change we voted for. Kwekumenu says, Dr. Okay, you're talking about something. Sika Evidence says, concerts, then he becomes one-term president. Common Ablekuma to Manhia Road. It's been rough for centuries. God is watching you, politicians.
And Richard Kweku says, at long last the battle has ended, but still they will steal and defend themselves. And Bra says, what does it mean? And Bernard Genesis Jr. says, Ghana is working again. Remember to join the conversation on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, or Joy News on TV. Send us a WhatsApp message on 055 815 7074.